Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting video for you today. I finally got my hands on a laser machine. It's called the Falcon A1. It's an enclosed laser engraver and cutter from Creality. I've been eyeing a laser machine for a while and I've been trying to find the right one within my budget. So when Creality reached out to me, I knew this was the perfect opportunity to finally try one and show you how versatile this machine is. It's a great tool to have for your small business and to add customization to your products. I think this one might be one of the more affordable options on the market right now. I won't go through every step to set up your machine because there's a lot of detailed videos out there already, and the company also has excellent step-by-step video instructions that will guide you through the process once you plug it into your computer. I wasn't quite sure where to set it up, but I ended up using a small room that I usually work out of, but since it needed proper ventilation, I had to get a little creative. I cut the styrofoam packaging it came in to fit the exhaust tube through and placed it in my window like this. If you have a garage or outdoor workspace, that might be even better. Once everything is plugged in, you'll be guided through equipment testing. Place your sample board in the machine, adjust the laser height, and you can calibrate the camera to do a test engraving. I had some acrylic pieces sent to me as well. I opened up Canva, downloaded a design as an SVG with a transparent background. From there, you can drag it into the Falcon Design Space program and start your engraving or cutting. I'm using red transparent acrylic, so let's set the correct material parameters. I want to create an outline around my image to make a cut, so I use the offset function. Once you create that line, I added a layer and I assigned it to line cutting. Select the line you want to cut, which is the offset line that we just created. Then click on the blue icon to apply the cut setting for that line. Let's add a small circle to the design. And I also want to cut it out to make it into a keychain. So we'll select the circle, then also click on the blue icon. Now both these lines will be cut while the other black lines will be engraved. If you click on frame, the machine will outline the exact area it will cut or engrave. And if you go to the camera tab and click on photo, it will take a snapshot of your workspace so you can adjust your design placement on your material. The Falcon Design Space program also includes some ready-made templates like this box, which I tried using with cardboard. You can also find templates in Canva if you search for box template or SVG box designs. Customize the color to just black outlines for cutting, export as SVG, and then you can upload it into the program. Take a photo of your workspace, and that will help you line up your SVG design perfectly with your material. So here are a couple tips I learned through trial and error. If your paper is black all the way through, engraving will be subtle, but it still works. if your material has a white base, like this gift bag I cut up for these boxes, the engraving will show up as white, which looks great because it provides contrast. I also learned that white material doesn't engrave, which might seem obvious to the experienced user, but because it was totally new to me, I learned this through experimenting. Next, I engraved directly onto a gift bag using the same process. I created a design in Canva. If the bag has a white inner layer like this, like I mentioned before, the design really pops and you can see the white come through once the bag is engraved.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
I also made a bunch of acrylic keychains and hang tags. These are perfect for packaging, branding, or just cute add-ons for your products. Some of them double as keychains, which I think is a fun idea as well. To bring out the engravings, I tested 2 types of paint: engraving pigment, which is a thicker paint, and acrylic paint, which is thinner and flows nicely into the engraved parts. I used a paintbrush to apply both, and then a silicone stamp to scrape off the excess. I let them sit for a couple minutes. The engraving pigment was a bit harder to clean off because it was sticky, but I used a Lysol wipe, which worked well. I think alcohol wipes would work too. After cutting acrylic, the edges can be a bit rough, so I used a nail file or fine sandpaper to smooth them out. Here are some of the final products I made. Some had my logo, some were just for fun, and so far I'm loving this machine and I'm so excited to test out more materials. I already have a list of projects I want to use this for. I'm thinking about branding my candle lids, as well as engraving some new products I plan on launching soon. I don't have another laser machine to compare it to since this is my first time using one, but I found the setup process really straightforward. Honestly, the most time-consuming part was testing different materials and dialing in the perfect engraving depth and cut settings, but once you get that figured out, it's super easy and fun to use.